Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use Passkey for WhatsApp login. So let's get started with the video. So basically, you need to first ensure the requirements are met in order to set up the Passkey. First, you need to update the WhatsApp to the latest version, which is available on the Google Play Store. You can go to your Google Play Store, search for the WhatsApp application and make sure that you're using the latest version. The next thing is you need to verify that your device is running on Android 9 or above. The lower Android versions are not supporting this feature. The next thing is you need to ensure that your device has a screen lock enabled. That means it can be enabled in the form of PIN, pattern or biometric. How you can create a passkey now? Open the WhatsApp. You will see a three dots at the upper right side. Click on that. After that, you need to click on settings. In settings, you need to go to the accounts. Here you will see an option of passkeys. Here you will see in a green button written create passkeys. Click on that. Follow the on-screen instruction to confirm your screen lock or biometric authentication. You can click on create over here. Then you can just confirm your screen lock or biometric authentication, whatever you have used. So as you can see here, the passkey has been created. Now how you can use this passkeys is whenever you initiate a login, it will authenticate with the passkey. That means the passkey should be authenticated. After that only you can log in or anyone can log into your WhatsApp anywhere in the world. So this is the use of passkey. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.